Good morning, student. Today I am going to revise chapter 1 exercise int questions as worksheet number 1. Worksheet number 1. This is chapter 1. Worksheet number 1. It is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks, it is asking question as making fill in the blanks. The large land masses of the world are called. The large land masses of the world. So you know land mass? Land mass means a very huge land mass. Means continent. So you can fill here continent. In first part, you can fill here continent. So continent is a huge land mass. So large land masses of the world are called continents. You can write it is called continents. The vast water bodies of the world are called oceans. Are called oceans. So the vast means huge water bodies of the world are called oceans. You can feel oceans. And third, the world's deepest trench, the Mariana Trench, lies in the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. It is also given in your book as page number. It is given page number 6 as in ocean, Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean, it is found in Pacific Ocean, Mariana Trench. And Africa is separated from Asia by the which canal? Africa is separated by Asia. Means you study this page number 4, it is given as Africa, Suez Canal. It is separated by Suez Canal. It is separated by Suez Canal. So Africa is separated from Asia by Suez Canal. Suez Canal. After that, North America and South America are linked by a narrow strip of land called. So North American continent and South American continent, how it is joined together? As it is joined together by the narrow strip called Isthmus of Panama. Isthmus of Panama. So Isthmus of Panama. It is called Isthmus of Panama. So you feel Isthmus of Panama. And next, tick the right answers. The largest continent of the world is. Largest continent. You know largest continent? Asia, Europe and Africa. Out of 3. So Asia is the largest continent of the world. Asia. You take Asia. Second, the longest river in the world is the Nile. Nile River. Third, the largest desert in the world, the Sahara, is in Sahara, where is in Africa. So Sahara desert, you know Sahara, it is very big desert. It is given here Asia, Antarctica and Africa. So you know where Sahara desert. So Sahara desert is in Africa, I have told already. Question 4. The S-shaped ocean is the Atlantic Ocean. Out of three, Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian. So S-shaped, 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 like that. S-shaped is Atlantic Ocean. So Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian, you take Atlantic Ocean. Fifth, the largest ocean of the world is the Pacific Ocean. First, Pacific Ocean. Give one word answer. The smallest continent, you know, largest Asia, smallest, as you know, I have told already, as all the continents means Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. So I could also search the continent. It is also a country. So Australia. So the smallest continent is Australia. The deepest ocean, Pacific, because Mariana Trench it is found here, 10,000 something meters, 10,043 meters about that deep. The smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. Means Arctic Ocean is the fifth smallest ocean of the smallest ocean of the world. The white continent is, just I told yesterday, that covered with ice. No. So this continent is called white continent due to white appearance. Antarctica continent, because the huge bodies of ice, piling of ice, it is found here, covering. If you see all the surroundings of this continent, it is found ice. So it is covered with ice. So it is looking white. So it is called white continent. Fifth, the continent which is also a country. Many times I told, the continent which is also a country. Continent also and country also. Australia. So Australia is such type of continent which is a continent also and country also. So Australia. Answer the following questions. I think you have completed and you can prepare long question answer from your notes. As name the continents of the world, name the oceans of the world. Which continent has the largest population? You know, Asia. Why is Antarctica called frozen continent? Because on the Antarctica surface it is found much ice. Due to much ice, all over it is found frozen area. So it is called frozen continent. Fifth, what are the two important parts of Indian Oceans? Two important parts of the Indian Ocean: Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal are the important parts of Indian Ocean. So in this way, you prepare for exam. For today's class, thank you.